Unless you're a bat and want to live in a deep, dark cave and have no sunlight, no view of your beautiful yard, what do we do to keep the heat outside? Oh, we have the solution. It's a solar screen. Oh, yes. See, this is the culprit. This is one of the worst things that brings the heat inside your home. This is the reason that AC is just on and on and on, and that electric bill is getting higher and higher and higher. There's a simple solution. This little piece of material, American made, it's a simple solar screen. This will, without a doubt, keep the heat and the UVs outside, unless you decide you need to insulate and board up your windows and maybe put some brick over them, and again, you're gonna live in a cave. This is the way to do it. Bam! Just like that, you've got solar screens. Now all of a sudden, no more heat. But let me tell you something that I love about solar screens. The view of your yard, guaranteed beautiful. Everything, all of the natural light, man, this is gonna make you feel so good. You're gonna, woo, kick your shoes off, man, just kick them shoes off. It's gonna make you feel so good. Oh, solar screens, it's the way to go. The king of solar screens every day, $55 each. No games, no gimmicks, 100% 1-inch aluminum frame. Fight for Suntex material. You choose the color, you choose it all. We install it, 1 week guaranteed, no games, or it's free. Yeah.